So here's an exercise you can do to make your chords more interesting by bringing them up the neck. We're going to do this chord progression where it's on G, D and C. Then we're going to take those shapes and play the G here, which is the E flat shape, starting on the 5th fret. And then the D is like the B flat shape on the 5th fret. That's the D. And then the C is like a G, but up on the 7th fret, and that becomes a C. So we're going to do them here, and then we're going to do them here. And then we're going to interchange them. Picking pattern will be 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 2 of those on each chord. Let's start on the G. 1, 2, 3, and that's 1. And then we change to the D. Second one. Then change to the C. Then back to the G for 2. So that's the pattern. Now I'll go up to the G up on the 5th. And then the D on the 5th, and then the G, C on the 7th. All right, let's change. We go 1, and then the D up here, and then the C, and back to G. All right, so we're going to do a different way. We're going to do 2 down here. Then we're going to take the D up. Take the C back. And then take the G up. Start again. Up here on the G, take the D down. And then take the C up. And then we'll sing this song. And use what you like. Look at the stars, see how they shine for you. And everything you do. And it was all yellow. Came along, I wrote a song for you. Oh, what a thing. There's also a C there. And it was called Yellow.